Okay, mi follow Tenaru this time. Tenaru farm. Padok lo Tenaru na la bian mila. Ba mi kam before come for research, so ba mi introduce you now fa colleague mi falla. Name blame Dr. Franz Lee.
Welcome. Himena Tenaru School Farm. My name is Dr. Francis Chukwameka. Sino kam dia na himena farm atau kau. Everything lah na. Kami first rent sini kam dia field trip nama for kam observe nama apa sa school farm.
Okay, so actually what na sa problem wak farm lo Tenaru hem facing.
Yung failure lo dia tak bin facing is that no garam na management lot sa farm yard.
Okay. Like you said, management, you mentioned him as like what kind of management?
Said lo health issue lo ta animal le.
Okay.
Kasi hino ta no doing too much lo controlling kayo siya.
Oh yeah. So him good something na for to keep him low one for area no ma or him rubbish. Or should work in some different paddock for otato.
Yeah, basically him should area how you looking come so him no much bigger him no fit him na sa takaw so I think school need for make him area wide ma for ta sa graze inside na lo area.
Okay, thank you. Meron today nara bosa say area have been big but at villages now say come and spoil them cow or plus school what that not true one to
Yes, one for problem what I've been facing na. So him put him a risk for school too. So that's how ta small down na area a little bit. Fencing na sa putting up calls up na because him risking na sa life lot animal.
Yes, very true. Okay, so for pattern, what now sense of management what you thinking? Where about need for doing make them at villages, or no come destroy no paddock blow at cattle.
I think we should build him a good fencing around him area.
Yes.
Why much bigger fencing and much accurate. With him with a correct measurement kind of him.
Okay, yeah.
Then school principal or the manager should make him write him letter go outside villages or
Yeah.
go story with him with village people around there too.
Yes.
Kind of him.
Okay, thank you. Okay, listen now what about katola? So what not think blow lo side lo sanitation la.
Okay, kalau kam le, em na wata providing for the cattle Tenaru na, which is him not that healthy for otak cattle na so wata. Mainly source blame, him come from big river that side no him na wata lota cattle lo Tenaru from.
Okay, so right now me follow cattle paddock lo Tenaru. So if I can do research, if I can do a field trip, lo how not management and awesome lo Tenaru le, lo school and actually both for them take me for him say management him must good, so him say if what manage him na farmer good by have a big project block taga where is by able for building of a big new dormitory block if what income block lo cattle farmer him coming good if what work him good na farmer bian le the old paddock na le old paddock out ni usim na because problem na people na sa can spoil him what farmer and now say to the come him extend go behind but behind that cause out people out villagers out saka out in a post out come out in what posted they out using for building what house or building something too like for example Facebook big what's out in so and na go out school out wakan nama small area la nama first paddock la side him school la nama where him easy for to look him and easy for the securities or the farm boys for to come and monitor him or the not sheep but sorry cow. So him nama small story blow me lo ya lo cattle
Thank you very
From
much.
lo,
See you next Friday. Welcome.
we follow Tenaru right now. Thank you. But before catch up come, if I go back now, so by anytime if I go out but me just update you follow some for things when if I dream lo school for yep. So right Bible in France na bien la. And I men speak fala. Oh, brats.
Thank you. See you next Friday.